So, I picked up this 14-inch Delta bandsaw last weekend. Someone was moving, a friend of a friend of a friend, just giving it away. So lucky me. Blade, however, is in rough shape. So I'm going to try to clean this one up just so I can use it. Yeah, clean it first and then maybe do a little filing. I'm not sure what I'm doing, so new blades are on the way, so if I mess it up, old and seems good. So try to rejuvenate it. Oh yeah, it looks much better. Dirty, clean. All right, so the thing that's the hardest about this is seeing which way the teeth are set. So I can kind of see, I need like a magnifying glass.
1 hour later.
That was much easier. Like butter.
It's like, nice. So you think filing it actually made it better?
Yes, a lot, a lot, a lot.